Afraid of losing your amazing Minecraft Bedrock creations? Let's unlock the secret to finding your world files so you can back them up, share them, or move them to another device. First, you need to find your Minecraft installation folder, which varies depending on your device. On Windows, the easiest way to get there is to open your File Explorer. In the address bar at the top, type %appdata% and press enter. This will take you to your roaming folder. From here, go back one step by clicking AppData in the address bar, then double-click on the local folder. Next, find and open the packages folder. Now, you'll see a long list of folders. Look for one named something similar to Microsoft Minecraft_8WP 3D8B. The numbers and letters at the end might be different for you, but it should start with Microsoft Minecraft. Inside that folder, find and open LocalState. Then open the Games folder. Next, open the com.mojang folder. Finally, you've arrived. Open the MinecraftWorlds folder, and there you have it. All of your Minecraft Bedrock world files are right here. Each folder represents a different world. You can now copy these folders to back them up on an external drive, share them with friends, or transfer them to another device. Just be sure to copy the entire folder for each world. Now your creations are safe and ready to go wherever you need them. Happy crafting!